Hello, good evening everyone. This is Monica Joshi, IT Head Satpal Mittal School, Ludhiana. Today we are going to do the Google Sheets Advanced project where we have to create a detailed report card by comparing all the terms. And the features I'm using is formatting, merging, calculations and basic formulae, data validation, conditional formatting, sorting, filtering, functions and chart. So how I have done it, I'll just show you that. This is my data. My data sheet is having the details of 3 exams, that is the pre-board 1, pre-board 2 and the term 1, as it is a +2 class. So I have kept the data in one sheet only. So I'll tell you, I have taken the data for roll number, student name, admission number and all the exams. The first one is the school's name. How I have written it, I have just written the name of the school, selected the cells and clicked on merge cells like this. And then the same feature is applied for the second row as well, and then I selected and I clicked on the outside border to give the border. Then I have selected this first row and then give it middle if alignment, and then I have given it a centered alignment. And to all the numbers I have selected, the numbers were written like this when I wrote the sheet. I've just clicked on increase decimal place so that if I write 53.5 and 53.0, it should be uniform. Then I have entered the data here as well and given it alignment center. And here I have selected all these cells and given it wrap to text. Then I have applied some data validation rule as well by selecting these cells, clicked on data validation. As my maximum marks are 80, so I have applied the data validation that the number value should be between 0 to 80. If it will be entered more than that, it will reject the input and it will show the help text, that is, you should enter numbers between 0 to 80. So I'll show you. If I write 5, 6, 7, so it's not gonna take that and it will give the message like that. Then I have applied the conditional formatting by selecting it, conditional format, and I've applied that if all these cell values are less than 32, because from 80, 32, 1 less than 32 is failing. So it should make the font bold, underline, black color and fill the cell with this brown color. So this was the conditional formatting feature. Then we have found the minimum, maximum, average and fail count. So I have applied the formula here, that is equals to maximum of this range. We can either write the range, that is 06 to 022 is my data, or we can drag the cells like that. And same way I have applied for minimum is equals to E6 to E22 and average is equals to average E6 to E22. Colon is used for defining the range. And then now I wanted to count how many are the failures. So for that, countif function is used. So I have written that count from E6 to E22, how many are less than 32. So after writing the formula in one of the particular cells, range, and then I can drag it like this. The whole formula will be copied to the other side as well. Now finding out the sum, the total. Obviously we have to find out who has scored what. So to find out, we have written the function sum and then this range. As you can see, few of the cells are blank. So because it's a +2 class, they are opting for some of the subject and they are not opting for some of the subjects. So we have written the data like that. Then to find out the percentage, we have written the formula is equals to this divided by 5, or you can write this divided by 500 into 100. The next is finding out grade, very important. Now my percentage is calculated in cell O6. So the formula I have written, I have applied the if condition, that if O6 is greater than 89, then the grade should be A, and if it is greater than 79 to 89, then the second condition will be it will be A. Then O6 is from 69 to 79, then it will be B. Then 69 to 59, it will be C, and then less than it will be D. So this is multiple if we have applied. Now same way we will select these three cells and we will drag till O22 and the formula is copied there. Then I have found the class performance again by using the COUNTIF function, because I wanted to know how many I've got 90 above, 80 to 90. So I have written here, because O6 to O22 is my percentage is being calculated. So I have written simply the COUNTIF function, O6 to O22 greater than 90. How many are there? Then from 80 to 90, then from 70 to 80, 60 to 70, 50 to 60, 40 to 50 and below. And then by selecting this, clicking on insert and chart, then I have generated this chart to show the class performance. Now I'll show you how to sort the range. We'll select the cells which we want to sort. Okay, then I'll click on data, sort range. Then if I'll click here data having header row, automatically the top row will be taken as a header row. So I'll be sorting it by percentage from Z to A, that is from the largest percentage will be at the top. And if you want, suppose like there are 2 minnat, you can add another column here, that then by grade, or you can say then by student name, whichever thing you want, you can select that. So okay, then by grade, that also, that by, or we can say that by student name from A to Z. So we can sort like this. So the data is sorted because firstly the first condition and then second is applied, and then next is okay. Next is we can apply the filters as well. We can select the range and we can apply the filters here to see the particular type of data. Like I want to see who all I have scored 55.5, and then click on done. Okay, so simply click here and then okay. So this is showing who all have scored 55, and then same way we can use the filters for the other purposes as well. Okay, next is I have kept the December pre-board one and my external assessment one, my term one sheet as well here. The same type of effects and formulas you can apply for that as well. Now I have taken the second sheet in which I am generating the chart, and in the third sheet I am generating the report card. Now I will show you why I have taken the second sheet. So to take the data for all the 3 exams and to compare it, what I have done, I've taken the roll numbers and the marks of all the subjects from the sheets, and I've done a sheet reference. For that, what I did, I simply pressed equals to here, and then I went into my exam list and selected this cell and pressed enter. Okay, and then I drag this here. Same way, like my pre-board 2 is starting from cell 41 and my term 1 is starting from cell 63. I'll show you. So you can see this is my pre-board 1 and then this is my term 1. So here E6 41 and then what I did, I just selected and dragged the cell here and the chart is generated. Now we come to the report card. In the report card, the first cell is taken as the school's name and then the exam wise subject comparison and then the session. The formatting features have been applied like merging and the font styles and effect. Then this is the whole sheet. You can see I have applied the filter here. You can see I have simply clicked here on Akash report card and then the report card of the chart of Akash is pasted here. I simply, what I did, I've copied this chart and took it to the graph sheet which is my report card and pasted it there. And then in the sheet, exam sheet, main exam sheet, the maximum marks of pre-board 2, pre-board 1, term 1 of all subjects have been taken and the target has been taken. And the same has been pasted in the graph sheet as well. So I'll show you now how to go on the second child. So simply here I'm going to change the cell here, that is 42. Then here E7, here 42, here 64, and then drag these cells and you see the chart is changed, and when you go into the graph sheet automatically the graph is changed, and from here go and select the next child, that is Anuj Bhalla, and this is the report card of Anuj Bhalla. And all you need to do is you have to keep on changing the cells and keep on printing the report card like that. And you can download each and every report card by coming here and downloading it as PDF. So let's see that we have covered all the points or not. Formatting, merging, calculation, basic formulas, data validation, conditional formatting, sorting, filtering, functions and charts, and sorting of different types. So I hope this creating of report cards in a different way is clear to all of you, and then you all can apply these features as well. So this is Monica Joshi. Thank you so much.